Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I have a huge beauty haul for you guys. These are in fact not even some, most of them are recent launches from Dotted Key and MCaffeine. Amazon is having their ultimate Valentine's Day sale and they had some crazy offers. By the way guys, now on Amazon you can also get freebies, which I didn't know. So yeah, I saw some crazy offers on Dotted Key, MCaffeine, and also I purchased quite a lot of things. These are like mostly new launches, so I'm really excited to share them with you guys and give you guys my first impression. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with MCaffeine because I was amazed by their recent launches. First of all, let's start with this one. This one is the MCaffeine Super Glow Flash Facial Mask with 25% AHA, BHA, PHA coffee extract. It's more like a chemical exfoliation mask. Now, something like this I've already used and I've given you guys my review on, which is the Solved Labs Flash Facial Mask. This one is the MCaffeine one and I love the entire purple lavender packaging. You guys know this is one of my favorite colors and I was like, I need to get this, and I found it on Amazon at a really good offer. This is how the entire packaging is. Just look at it. I'm in love with this thing, and you open it and it's like full flash metallic sort of a liquidy, you know, you can see. I'm not going to show it to you like this, otherwise it'll fall off, but it's exactly like the Salt Lab ones. I haven't tried it out, but I'm sure it's going to work well. You know, these are the kind of chemical exfoliation facials that I really enjoy these days. Unlike those chemical peel solutions, it's much more gentle, and this also you need to keep it on for just 10 minutes and remove it off. So yeah, I love this entire packaging that MCaffeine has come out with, and I'm excited to try this one out, and you guys should definitely get your hands on this one because it's so adorable. So I picked this one up. Then we have the recent body lotion launches, and guys, if you follow me, you would know I go through body lotions like water. I use it throughout 365 days on all of my body, and it is a very basic thing for hydrating and keeping your body soft, and I need body lotions a lot. I've tried hundreds of body lotions. I really like fragrant body lotions from Victoria's Secrets, Bath & Body Works, but they are slightly expensive. So MCaffeine came out with their own ones. Can we appreciate the packaging? So luxe and very like perfumey. So these are like perfume body lotions. This one is Sweet Escape and this one is Summer Breeze. I love the packaging. These are made with caffeine adaptable quality, and these are 300 ml each with cocoa butter, caffeine, and niacinamide. So let's open the first Sweet Escape. I have tried it out. I love the formulation. I'll tell you which fragrance do I prefer more. Just look at this huge bulky packaging, but it's so good. I've tried this one out and it's super creamy, thick, hydrating body lotion, at the same time lightweight. This one, okay, this one actually smells like a little more like one of those shampoos, like your Sunsilk shampoo. It actually smells like Sunsilk shampoo. So clearly you guys know the fragrance of this is not that appealing to me, but it might smell a little different to somebody else. But I love the packaging and the product quality. The other one, which is called Summer Breeze, is my favorite. This is such a nice, it's more like a toned down men's perfume scent, and this is how the packaging is. Just look at the packaging, so good. This one is again, wow, I love it. It's more like a toned down men's perfume sort of a smell, but I really like it. So these are like actually perfume smells, fragrance. And when it comes to the body lotion part, amazing. It's a very good hydrating body lotion. I also really like the MCaffeine Vanilla Serum Body Lotion. That is one of my favorites. But I saw they launched these new ones, so I wanted to try it out. It's great for gifting as well, and I'm not at all disappointed with the purchase. So I bought these two body lotions. Then I got another product from MCaffeine because I saw it's one of their new launches. This is the Advanced Hair Growth 20% Capexial Serum, which is caffeine hair growth serum and medicinal. I'm so excited to try this one out. The entire feel of this serum is so good. The quality, I think MCaffeine has really been changing their products. This is how the serum comes in. It's a dropper based hair serum, and I'm excited to see how it works. It's like watery. So yeah, make sure you follow me. You'll always find reviews of products as well as their quick reviews in my empties video. It reduces hair fall, boosts hair growth, nourishes hair root with rosemary extracts, hair growth actives and capexil. So I'm excited to try this one out. And this one was a little expensive. It was for 499 rupees. So no, it wasn't expensive then. It was pretty affordable. But yeah, you got it at like, I got it at like 20-30% off on Amazon during the sale. So I picked this one up. Now let's come to Dot & Key. I picked a couple of things from Dot & Key as well, a lot of their new launches. First of all, this is a freebie that I got. This is their Watermelon Super Glow Matte Moisturizer. Apparently you can get freebies on Amazon as well. So I got this freebie. It's a good watermelon gel moisturizer, preferably for oily skin, but I have dry skin, but yeah, it's pretty good. So the first thing that I picked up from Dot & Key was their cleansing balm. I have heard people go crazy about this cleansing balm and everybody raving about it, that it's such a good cleansing balm. So I picked up the Strawberry Dew Melt in a Flash cleansing balm with fruit enzymes and vitamins. I haven't tried it out yet. I'm going to try it out after this video. I'm so excited. The packaging is same like any other Dot & Key product. It comes with a spatula. This is how it is. But I saw the inside. Smells so good. It smells like strawberry. Dot & Key should actually come up with their perfume range, especially the strawberry one. Smells so good. So yeah, I got this cleansing balm, which again everybody is talking about and they're loving it. It's like Melt in a Flash cleansing balm, so I'm excited to try this one out. And this is really affordable as well. Let's see if it beats the Plum cleansing balm. This one was for 499 rupees MRP. So yeah. Then I picked up, of course, my huge tube of Dot & Key sunscreen. This is an 80-gram tube of their Blueberry Hydrate and Barrier Repair sunscreen. If I have to pick one line from Dot & Key, it will be their blue color Barrier Repair range. I already have its moisturizer over here. You guys know how much I love this one. So I picked up the matching sunscreen and I picked up the 80-gram one so I don't run out of it. It's a really good sunscreen, SPF 50, PA++ with hyaluronic acid, ceramide, 6 UV filters and long-lasting moisture. So really like this one. So I picked up this sunscreen from Dot & Key. Then we have two of their new recent launch serums, and guys, the packaging of these serums is so adorable. So first of all I have is their Blueberry Hydrate 20% Barrier Boost Serum with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. You are going to go crazy after looking at the packaging. The packaging, my god. Look at this packaging. It's such a cute packaging. It's got these edges on the side and I love this packaging. It's a very much more like creamy hydrating serum, you see. It's very nice and super lightweight. Yeah, perfect for winters and perfect for barrier repair if you have a lot of dry patches and all. So this is the first serum that I picked up. The second serum that I picked up is their Pomegranate Youth 0.2% Retinol Complex Face Serum with squalene, niacinamide and retinol, of course. This one again comes in a very similar packaging. The only difference is it's pink in color, and this one is again a very nice hydrating lightweight serum, perfect for night time. So I'm excited to use this one. Like, just look at these two new cute serum packaging from Dot & Key. I'm so happy with my purchase. This one is again a cream formula, perfect for people who are new in the anti-aging category and wants to try out retinol. So I have already used this before in their previous packaging, but this is like a revamped formula. So I'm excited to try this one out as well. And by the way guys, all of these are fragrance free. Like Dot & Key has made their entire brand fragrance free, which is pretty interesting. For me, it was never an issue, but yeah, there are people who are particular about fragrance. Lastly, I forgot I got another freebie from Dot & Key, which is their Strawberry Dew Sunscreen Daily Wear. This one is their tinted sunscreen. I'm pretty excited to try this one out. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I already tried it and I really like it. It gives you this beautiful, subtle tinted glow. So I am considering buying the full-size product of this one. It's a tinted sunscreen which comes in total 7 shades. So you are definitely getting your matching shade. And yeah, again, it's on great offer right now. So guys, those were all the new launches products that I picked up from Amazon. In case you want to check them out, I'll leave the links below. They are having up to 40% off on a lot of beauty fashion products, so do check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.